Hello guys, review smartphone ZTE Blade A53, this Pro version, 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Okay, with NFC device. Look, compactation. In compactation we have device, protected film on the display, documentary, adapter for charging, and micro USB cable. Okay, that's all compactation. Now talk about device. 5000 mAh battery, 6.5-inch display, HD plus resolution display, double camera, 13 plus 2 megapixels. Okay, on the back side, camera, fingerprint scanner. On the front side, 6.5-inch display. On this side, power key and power button and volume buttons. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Upside, headphones jack. Downside, micro USB port. Okay, IPS display. We have Android 12 and ZTE launcher. About phone, we have My OS and Android 12. Close this, look under the benchmark results. We have Spreadtrum SC processor, octa-core 4+4 cores, and PowerVR GA8322 GPU. Results, okay, GTA San Andreas on the device work on the medium or low graphic level. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see these photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.